Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you these two speakers outdoors, rechargeable with a dancing flame 10-watt speaker that this brand sent to me for the video. I'm going to show them to you in a close-up in a few seconds, but the bottom line is that these ones are, number one, rechargeable, and they have a really good amount of runtime on the battery. Number two, these also have a dancing flame that I'm going to show you in a few seconds, so it also kind of like you can use them as light as well. Number three, these are waterproof, so you can actually leave them outside. So these are outdoors, indoors of course as well, but outdoors you can actually leave them outside, no issues. And number four actually, each one of this that's for like 10 watts. So they have a really good power. I have to say that they're quite powerful, and if you put them outside, it's gonna kind of like be good for if you're hosting a party or friends and family, or just wanna have some like kind of like a night and having with this dancing flames and a really good amount of good quality sound. But the other thing that I like about this one, before I show them to you in a close-up, is that of course it comes with the USB-C cables for charging purposes, but also comes with so many ways of actually putting them outside if you want. So you can actually use this. It comes with this stake, so you can actually put it in the ground, and you can actually kind of like hang this as well, just right here. You can actually have them hanging just like torch, but with a speaker. You can also, since it comes with a screw-in part right here, you can actually put this one right here on the actual stake and put them in the floor if you want, like in the grass or something like that. Or you can actually hang them from the wall as well. So you can actually put this one with the screws that comes with the pack, and you can actually hang them like kind of like outside if you want as well. So I think that having all this, or of course you can actually just take them with you on the go, and just like this, they're a stereo because it comes when pairs, and once that you pair one, you're gonna be pairing both. So let's actually kind of like turn off the lights, and I'm gonna actually put some music so you can hear them a little bit. And these are already paired with my phone, which is right here ready to play. So these ones are on and paired with my phone, and you can see that it comes with the light, this kind of like dancing light over here. You can actually have the light fixed if you want, just to give kind of like a cozy light, or you can just turn it off. But I do like the dancing one, of course. And now I'm gonna just put my microphone over there. I'm gonna hit play so you can actually hear a little bit of it. You just saw that I just hit pause, and that's it. So you can actually kind of like put play, pause, put the volume up and down, and turn them on and off. I think this looks amazing. This looks really, really good, and they're powerful and waterproof. So these are really good for outside. I give them a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.